few days ago. Happy birthday! I hope you can use this as your ringtone. Please. Or maybe to wake up in the morning. Wake up! Wake up! Ah! Ah! New alarm acquired. See? For free. Raora voice pack. And it's gonna be like... Ah! 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 Okay, listen. I got you. Got you. Alarm in the morning. I'm gonna mute myself. Okay. This is gonna be your alarm. Okay, then you have your ringtone. It needs a little bit of remix. If anyone can like adjust me in a remix, thank you. I'll be grateful. And then we have when you get a message. And then we have what else? What else do you need? I don't know. Email. Okay, I got the email. Wait. That was a very good one. Yeah, that's it. And then iPhone notification as well. Yeah. The eagle? No, that was not an eagle. That was not an eagle. That was me. And then last one, bonus voice pack. Yeah. Your eardrum? Today you don't need eardrum. You guys have ears, but you guys flush it, so it's okay. One thing I want to say, remember, a big cat means big trouble!